Hi everyone, I'm Aneesa. Welcome to our channel, Offbeat Life. We'd love it if you'd stay and subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Today we're here in the Offbeat Kitchen and I'm going to be sharing with you a masala chai recipe. So you might be asking yourself, well, I know about chai tea. What's the difference between chai tea and masala chai? Well, masala chai is a terminology that's authentically used in South Asia to talk about a spiced tea. So masala refers to a spice blend and chai refers to tea in general. And here in the West, we just refer to it as chai tea, but it means the same thing. So for this recipe, the blend of spices that I'm using today, and this really can be interchangeable depending on the version you like, but I'm using cardamom, cloves, cinnamon, star anise, a few peppercorns, and some ginger, so this is fresh ginger, and 1 black tea bag. And you can use any black tea that you like. You can even use a rooibos tea if you wanted. So I'm going to start by getting my water on the stove. I'm using 1 liter here of water, that's 4 cups, about that. This will make 4 cups of tea. I'm going to get that on high heat. And then while that is starting to heat up, I'm going to take my spices and put them in my mortar and pestle just to break them down and get the oils kind of developed a little bit. This is going to make sure you have a really flavorful chai. So now we have our spice blend ready to go. It looks absolutely beautiful. We'll give you a close-up here. It smells incredible, so aromatic, and we'll go ahead and add this into our simmering water. You don't want that water to be boiling. If you had it boiling, it's really gonna make some of the spices turn bitter, so we just wanna keep it simmering. And the idea is that we're gonna keep it on the, at a simmering level for 10 minutes to really develop those flavors. We don't wanna boil it, as I said. One of the other reasons we don't wanna boil it is because we don't wanna reduce the water at all here. We wanna really keep it at around that 1 liter mark and keeping it that way. So I'm gonna also add in my ginger. And we'll let that go for 10 minutes. You'll notice that I didn't add my tea yet, and the reason for that is we just add the tea at the end once this is already simmered for that 10-minute period. So it's been about 10 minutes and my mixture is simmering really nicely. You can smell that beautiful fragrance. So now it's time to add in my 1 tea bag. So I'm gonna go and get that in there. And then I'm going to let that continue to simmer gently for about 10 minutes. So it's been another 10 minutes and you can see we have lovely color in the tea. It smells absolutely beautiful. You can see I've also retained most of the water there. And now I'm going to go in with about 1 cup of almond milk. You could also use cashew milk or soy milk would be lovely too. So our tea is all ready. So I've got a strainer here that I'm going to use over my teapot to make sure we catch all of those nice herbs because we don't want them in our tea. Gets a little messy sometimes, so you got to be careful of that. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and serve this up. Well, I can't wait to go enjoy this beautiful cup of tea with some sweet treats this afternoon. Now, if you enjoyed our video, please do like it because it does help our video to get seen by more people. Please also comment below and let us know what other videos you'd like to see. And follow us on Instagram for more inspiration. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.